Hello guys, and as you can see I have two huge trees on my front yard and I need to cut them down. I purchased a few days ago pruning saw from Amazon for $90 with free shipping. It is 26-foot pruning pole saw. And today I wanna give it a try. And in my opinion the metal fork connection is too thin and can break easily. The process of assembling this pruning saw was very easy, but unfortunately this pruning saw has many poles. And to compare, here is my 12-foot pruning saw from Lowe's and this is 26-foot pruning saw from Amazon. And now I wanna try to lift each pole saw. And as you can see, even to hold 26-foot pruning saw, very difficult and it is very heavy. And here is my 12-foot and I can hold it in just one hand. Because it is almost impossible to hold this pruning saw at the end pole, this is how I start trimming my tree. So this is what I cut today, and these are pretty big tree branches, and unfortunately this pruning saw broke in one of the connections. One of the aluminum nails was lost, and I didn't want to continue using this pruning saw because it was very dangerous and I'm gonna return it. And if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.